Experiencing trouble connecting your iPhone's CarPlay or Android Auto to your Toyota? You're not alone. As of 2025, many Toyota owners face this issue, but it's often resolvable with a systematic approach. First, identify the type of connection you're using, wired or wireless. Wired connections are generally more reliable, especially in older models. Common culprits include faulty or incompatible USB cables, especially if they're charging only cables. This accounts for about 60% of connection issues. Outdated phone software accounts for 25% of issues, along with problems with the Toyota's infotainment system. Newer Toyota models from 2018 to 2025 have seen improvements, particularly with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 integration and firmware updates released in late 2024. Start with basic checks. Ensure your iPhone is at least an iPhone 5 with iOS 7.1 or higher, or your Android is running Android 6.0 or higher. Then, move on to troubleshooting the most common causes. We'll cover systematic approaches to resolve these connection issues. The first and most critical step in troubleshooting CarPlay and Android Auto issues is verifying your USB cable. This solves 60% of all connection problems. Avoid using damaged or charging-only cables. Look for frayed wires, bent connectors, or loose connections that can prevent proper data transfer. Step 2 involves updating your software. Ensure your phone's operating system and CarPlay or Android Auto apps are current, as outdated software causes 25% of connection issues. Next, clear the cache and data for CarPlay or Android Auto in your phone's settings. Then reset your network settings. This resolves software conflicts and corrupted preferences. Step 3 focuses on hardware troubleshooting. Try different USB ports in your Toyota, as some ports may have better connectivity than others. Clean your USB ports with compressed air to remove dust and debris. This simple maintenance step can restore proper connections and prevent future issues. If basic troubleshooting fails, your Toyota may need a software update from the dealer. This is especially important for 2020 to 2022 RAV4 models affected by Technical Service Bulletin TSB 008721. For intermittent connection issues, consider temperature-related problems or power management conflicts. Allow overheated phones to cool and disable battery optimization for CarPlay and Android Auto apps. Toyota plans to make wireless CarPlay and Android Auto standard across 80% of models by 2026. Current reliability rates have improved to 94% for 2024 and 2025 models, making proper maintenance and updates more important than ever.